somewhat it's a pandemic time, so we have lesser pandals around, so we'll try to show you all the pandals around Guwahati as much as possible and following all the norms. Happy puja, and let's start pandal hopping. We have a puja just nearby and just opposite our house, so we're leaving for that. So let's come and have a look at how the Devi looks and offer our prayers. So this is the Devi there in all her glory. So it's like we are having it in a very small manner nowadays because of the pandemic, and it's so beautiful and
Normally we have our pujas in a grand and great manner, but as now the COVID situation is going on, we are having it in a small way and a very unceremonious way, but still we are trying to pray to the goddess.
Normally we used to have a snap like this before the theatre hall in Jorhat, but because of the pandemic we are having it here in Guwahati, Joyanagar, and now let's go around and have a look how the pandals are there, as many as we can in Guwahati. So there are very few puja mandaps today, and therefore we are just looking out for puja mandaps, and finally we couldn't even find in Chanmari street. One we found in Barwari Puja Mandir here, so we are coming to Barwari Puja Mandir now. So here this is Ujan Bazar Barwari Puja Mandap there, and very few people around, but we'll just give you a look of how it looks. We do not have any murtis here, no idols there, it's just a photo of the picture of the goddess, and this is what the pandemic has done to us. Very few people around, and just a photograph or just a picture of the goddess, and we are doing the puja here. So that's removed now, and that's the goddess there. These are the small trinkets that people normally, toys kids love to have during the pujas. There's very few around now, so just showing you a glimpse of that. And I think it's customary to buy at least a balloon during the puja. Searching for pandals, finally I came across one in Lota Hill, and look at the condition there, very sad. But just give you a look of how the puja is there. So this is how it looks. Such a big way it used to be in the earlier times, or in fact the last year also it was so beautifully arranged. Very few people around, and the goddess, really sad. Normally when we talk about festivity involved in the Durga Pujas, it's great and we all look up to this, but this is how it's happening now here. This is the Lota Hill Puja Mandap. People less, in fact, in a way, and no balloons, nothing, just plain puja, little puja there, customary way I guess they're doing it. So that is it. We came across a place where we have an idol there, beautiful idol of the goddess, and this is in Pan Bazar. This is the Pan Bazar Puja Mandap. So we just have a look and see how it is there, the Pan Bazar Puja Mandap there. And we have beautiful small one. It's beautiful goddess there. And very few people around. Puja anyway in a miniature way.
Okay, so now we can see here.
Ayurar Bang, Young Lady, Lady, Amos Kitty.
We plan to have a bite in the Mahamaya restaurant, which is established in 1918, one of the oldest, in fact the oldest of the hotels in Assam. And we'll just have a talk with him. So this was in 1918, right? So this golden year celebrations were in 2017, 2018, and since 1963 he is running this hotel. Apnar naam to?
Arjun Chandra Burman.
Okay, he's Arjun Chandra Burman. He has been running his father. We have the picture of his father up there, and where he started. When did he start this? Manekitya? 1960. No. Deuta kitya arambo korisile?
1918.
1918 he started, and after that he continued with this profession. And this is a place which was was normally frequented by the Cottonians. Even now I guess they visit it, and we get the traditional paratha there, and then we have the famous aloo bhaji, or in fact aloo torkari, what we call it. It's a gravy sort of, and we all normally used to enjoy even during our cotton days. And that's the menu there. We have veg pulao, we have mutton pulao, everything. But since it's a puja time, we switch over. We really thought of having just the paratha, the famous paratha, and the aloo curry. How it is? Excellent. It still has the same taste when we used to have it during the cotton days. Lovely.
In 1930, Gandhiji came to this hotel and he had food here. In 1978, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he came here and he had his food. And in 87, our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi came here and he had tea. So this hotel has got a very long tradition, and he is a very qualified man. In the 1963, he got his graduation from the Cotton College, which is a very famous college of Assam. It was established in 1901. So since then, and this person is full of his knowledge about Guwahati, how Guwahati has changed in last 70 years. So he has everything in his mind, how this place, which is very very famous because of this Cotton College, how this place Pan Bazaar has changed in these 70 years.
The walking history.
So almost a walking history. So after coming here, we really enriched with lot of knowledge about Guwahati, about himself and about this area, and also came to know how these big personalities came here and he had the opportunity to serve them with some food or some tea or whatever. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Approaching another puja mandap. Here we'll see the Ghat puja done. That is, they do not have any idol, but just like as we do in Assam, what we do for the Satyanarayan puja is that we take a Ghat and then try to invoke the god Satyanarayan there. Similarly here too, they have invoked the goddess in a Ghat. I'll just show it around. So this is how it looks. They have used an earthen pot. In that, this is the earthen pot where they have invoked the goddess, and in place of the idol, this time due to the pandemic, this is what is being used to pray. Normally in pujas, these places are filled with balloons and jalebis and all sweetmeats. But for now, we have very few people coming over, and very fewer people and fewer children around, and just the earthen pot used to invoke the goddess.
This was the first day we went out puja hopping, and it's very disappointing, but still it's alright because we have to be very very careful with the pandemic, and next year hopefully we'll have a better puja around.